This is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I got the Plus because, well, the dual camera system. Anyway, what is my first impression of the device itself? Well, I have the lilac version, but I wanted the titanium gray, but Samsung releases colors but doesn't. So that's quite annoying. But anyway, the lilac still looks good. It's a good looking phone overall. It looks very similar to the S9 and to the S8 and the S8 Plus. However, there are some small changes and some key changes to the device itself. For one, it is now a dual speaker system. We have the one at the bottom and the front working combined, and it's tuned by AKG. Other than that, this is now a matte finish compared to the gloss finish on the S8 and the S8 Plus. It just looks nicer in my view. Some might actually like it the other way around, but I do like it better this way. Of course, one thing that really needed to change is the fingerprint scanner placement. Right here it's next to the camera, right there it's below the camera. However, it's a bit low maybe. I still have to figure that out if I think it's too low, but it is a bit low. Also, what you see next to the camera is that the sensor, the heart rate sensor, is changed. It's said that it could read more of, well, blood pressure and everything like that, but I will look into that more. The flash itself is a bit different as well. Other than that, like I said, it looks very familiar. On the top, the sensors are less pronounced than on the S8. So that's a good thing, because they did stick out quite a bit, but they are less pronounced. Of course, at the back we have this new dual camera system with an aperture change from 1.5 to 2.4, and then the dual system that captures the depth but also gives you a 2x zoom. So yeah, that's my first impression. The screen looks great, everything seems to be fine. I did try a bit of the face idea combined with the iris scanner. Seems to be working decent. However, it's not the greatest way to unlock a phone, I think. You kind of have to hold it too much to your face. Of course, AR emoji, that's a thing, and I don't care for it. But what I do care for is the super slow motion of 960 frames per second. It is a shame, however, that we don't have 480 frames per second on 1080p, but we do have 240 frames at 1080p, so that's a good thing in itself. 960 frames per second is at 720p, and I had that on the Sony Xperia XZ Premium. However, because it's only 0.2 seconds, it's really hard to capture something like that. However, Samsung did something clever and they added an action box. So when you capture something, the action box will see movement and will then capture automatically what is going on. This should help a lot with just 0.2 seconds to capture something. You have to react and everything like that if you don't have that action box. So I will of course compare the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S9 Plus, see how they are and see what is better, what is improved. I think the camera should be improved quite a lot from what I've seen in camera comparison and low light conditions especially. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is a big upgrade, but we'll have to wait and see. And I will of course let you guys know how I find it and what I think about the result of itself, and of course let you give your own opinion as well. Something that I would have liked to see, however, is a textured Bixby button and no duos at the back. I really don't like that duos at the back. Why is it there? I mean, yes, it's dual SIM. Just say it to me. Don't let it be known on the phone itself. I don't like it. It looks ugly. I mean, it just doesn't look good. Also, the Samsung logo seems to be a bit bigger, but yeah, probably also because the phone is bigger, but it just seems to be a bit bigger. I like it a bit smaller, but you know, overall I don't really have a problem with it. Either way, I will let you know what I think about the S9 Plus, of course, so stay tuned for that. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and comment and like the video, and of course I will place a lot more concepts on my channel. So yeah, stay tuned and have a good one.